5 drinks that instantly relieve the annoying cough you have. 1. Thyme tea. Thyme tea is great for a persistent annoying cough as it is rich in flavonoids that relax the throat muscles. The flavonoids will also reduce inflammation in the respiratory tract so that you cough less frequently. You can use fresh or dried leaf to make your own thyme tea. Simply add 2 teaspoons of thyme to 1 cup of boiled water. Cover the cup for 10 minutes, and then strain the tea, and drink. Make sure that you don't use thyme oil in your drink, as it is toxic to consume. 2. Salt water. Salt is perfect for an annoying cough because it is antiseptic, so it will reduce inflammation in your throat. Simply mix half a teaspoon of salt with warm water and stir. Gargle the mixture for 30 seconds and spit it into the sink. Make sure that you don't drink it because it will dehydrate you. You can do this multiple times a day. 3. Garlic tea. Garlic has antibacterial and antimicrobial properties that will help to relieve your cough. Add 3 cloves of garlic to water in a pan and boil. When the water is cool, add a teaspoon of honey and drink the mixture. It won't taste great, but it will help. 4. Honey and pepper tea. Honey and black pepper can be combined to relieve the symptoms of a wet, mucus cough. The black pepper will help your body to expel the infection in your chest. The honey is antibacterial, so it will help to reduce the amount of mucus. Add 1 teaspoon of black pepper and 1 tablespoon of honey to a cup of boiling water. Stir the drink and let it sit for 10 minutes before drinking. You can do this twice a day to help reduce and loosen mucus. 5. Peppermint tea. Peppermint tea contains menthol, which opens up the airways and helps to break down mucus. You can make peppermint tea using peppermint tea bags from your local store, and you can add honey and lemon juice for even better results. These drinks should help to relieve cold symptoms, but if your cold hasn't gone away within 3 weeks, you should arrange to speak to your doctor about other forms of treatment.